Hi, I'm Dr. Jayne Edman, Dean of the Health Science Institute. The Health Science Institute is the place to start if you're interested in a career in healthcare. The aging U.S. population and a workforce full of baby boomers planning their retirements make healthcare one of the fastest growing careers in the United States. Brookdale offers an RN nursing program, a respiratory care program, and a radiological technology program. Entry to these programs requires a program-specific application. Graduates get great jobs or decide to transfer and complete their bachelor's degree. A public health program and a health science program are additional options that lead to healthcare careers. Public health is a great transfer program, and a social science health science option is designed to give you a broad overview of the healthcare industry. Students often enroll in the social science health science option while they wait for admission to nursing, radiologic technology, or respiratory care. We also have fitness and nutrition courses, opportunities to learn medical terminology, and an EMT course. I look forward to seeing you at Open House and want to thank you for considering Brookdale Community College.
There. It's a destination, a place you aspire to be. For some, there is a career helping those in need. For others, it's an office high above the city streets. There can be behind the scenes of a five-star hotel, behind a VR headset designing the latest video games, or underneath a high-end sports car. No matter where your there may be, we will help get you there. Brookdale, here we'll get you there.